Hello everybody, here is the next strand of lights I'm going to be relamping for 2024 in preparation of the Christmas season. There's one out there and one out here. This is a set of 35 and it appears to be from May of 1990. So that makes these 34 years old. I didn't realize they were making this style that late, but glad to have some. I'm trying to simplify on the connections. I've actually got 3 of these sets of 35 now, and I can just do a continuous loop up the Christmas tree instead of trying to branch out those sets of 20s I had. I think this will be a better option for these lights. And then at the very end I can attach a strand of 20, and then I'll have, I think it was 105 of these lights on the tree, which is almost equivalent to what I had before, maybe a little bit more. But anyway, I'm going to set this up on a tripod and do a time lapse of the relamp as I did with that 35 two-way flasher set. This set takes 3.5 volt bulbs, so I've got my 3.5 volt bulbs set up, and I'll start at the beginning of the strand, which is right here, and just work my way through. We'll take a comparison of do a before and after. Upon first look, they don't look terrible, but they could look better. That one's really not that bad at all, but I can make these look mint. The pinks are always faded out. The red looks pretty good. The green looks pretty good. But the blue and pinks are really faded, if not burned out. So again, we'll get it set up on the tripod and get started on this project. A few moments later, this 35 strand of Icicle lights from 1990 is completely relamped. Looking wonderful. And here's the, hard for the camera to pick up how deep these colors really are with the brand new bulbs. That looks fantastic. Another light strand that will look awesome on the Christmas tree later this year. So once again, relamping a strand of Icicle lights, 35 count from 1990. Thank you for watching.